Let me show you something. This is a TikTok shop that I opened a couple weeks ago, okay? And I don't have any videos on it. I don't have any, nothing, okay? No videos, no following, no likes, nothing. Empty shop. And we're gonna talk about what the TikTok shop is in a minute. But what I want you to focus on is this, okay? I've been dropshipping on this TikTok shops and I'm gonna go to orders, okay? And I want you to see this, okay? I got one order that I canceled, and here's that order. It's some random phone case that I found on eBay, and I was planning to dropshipping from eBay to TikTok shops, and I got an order and I canceled it because I didn't know what I'm doing at the time. I'm not that familiar with TikTok shops, but I got an order without doing anything, okay? I didn't advertise it. I didn't have any followers. I didn't have nothing. I didn't do anything. And I got an order from TikTok without doing anything. Now, I want to show you one more thing that's really amazing about TikTok shops, which is crazy to me. Right here on the top, there's this thing that says affiliate marketing. And what that basically is an affiliate program that you can run as a individual seller on TikTok to content creators. I have access to people that have 1 million followers or 150,000 followers, whatever. I have access to these people and I don't have to message them. All I have to do is to create an affiliate offer. And in that offer, I can say that, hey, whenever you promote my listing, I'll give you 10% cut. That way the creators, they see, oh, I will get 10% cut if I promote this listing on my video. Why not? So you don't have to reach out to them. They do it automatically. They promote your products. You give them a little cut and everyone is happy. You're happy because you're making money selling products. They're happy because they're getting a cut from promoting your products. And your customer is happy because, hey, they bought the product. It's a win-win-win situation. And then, my friend, it's called TikTok shops, which are really amazing. And I'm gonna show you a simple method I'm gonna try do using TikTok shops and start dropshipping over there. And when I say dropshipping, I'm not talking about Chinese dropshipping. We're not gonna use Chinese supplier. No. We're gonna use a US-based supplier. I shouldn't even say supplier, websites such as eBay. And we're gonna sell products from eBay to TikTok shops and we're gonna dropship directly from there. So this is gonna be a mini saga of me dropshipping on TikTok, and I'm gonna share this journey with you. And a lot of you guys know me from selling AI art on Etsy, but the fact is that I'm a dropshipper and I dropship on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. I actually have a course if you wanna check it out. Go to dropshippingheal.com where you can learn how to dropship on Facebook and eBay. I'm also a co-founder of the dropshipping supplier website called Dropship Friendly, where we can dropship products for you to whatever you wanted. We have one warehouse in one location and we ship it whatever you want it. You can also use it for TikTok shops if you want it. But today I'm gonna introduce you to TikTok shop dropshipping and how to start it. All right, let's start with the basics. What is a TikTok shop? So a TikTok shop is kind of like a store that you can open up on TikTok. And I know what you're thinking, do I need a TikTok account to sell on TikTok shop? And the answer is no, but it kind of helps you if you do have a TikTok account. To open a TikTok shop, you just go to the link down below in the description of this video. I will have it. You can just click on it. We'll go to the website, you register, simple, easy stuff. Once you register, you're ready to go. You have an option to link it with your TikTok account, but you don't have to. And once you have a TikTok shop open, all you have to do is just put listings, and your listings gonna get advertised to people. And there's a couple ways of how TikTok is advertise your listing. First is this like little icon in the left bottom corner that shows up on the TikTok videos where people can click on it and it will take them directly to your store. Another way is the affiliate marketing that the creators can do, which I was talking in the beginning. So you can offer a commission to affiliate marketers, or I should say the content creators on TikTok, that if they promote your listings, they will get a cut. You can also offer a free sample. So you can send the product to a content creator and they will make a dedicated video to your listing. That way you're gonna have a promotional ad video for free, or I should say for the cost of the product, that will bring people into your store. Another great thing about TikTok shops, it's what it seems like there's a high conversion rate on these products because user generated content works great for people. This is better than the ads because, you know, people that gonna promote your listings, they have followers, they have people that love them, and these people are ready to buy whatever these people will sell to them. So this works better than ads because the crowd is not cold. It's actually a warm crowd ready to buy stuff. And at the moment, there are no fees on TikTok besides the affiliate fees that you pay to the content creators. The tricky part about TikTok shops is what products actually sell. So you cannot just list anything like you do kind of on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. No. You actually have to have a specific products dedicated to TikTok shops. Overall, I would say that the trend is anything below $30 is a good product for TikTok, and also it has to be like a hip, trendy, problem-solving, cool gadget. That's kind of what the TikTok crowd is buying. So let me give you an example. Cool, unique iPhone case is a great product. You can actually use print-on-demand products if you want to, or go on eBay and just dropship iPhone cases from eBay to TikTok. Another one would be this shower head that you probably have seen on a lot of ads if you've been into Shopify dropshipping. A lot of dropshipper on Shopify are trying to sell the shower head as like, you know, crazy strong and removes all the dirty parts of your body. That's a solving problem issue product, and it also costs below $30. A bad product for TikTok would be a chair that you're trying to sell to your customers. That's something that might work on eBay, but that's not necessarily a TikTok product because it's not hip, it's not cool. Remember, the TikTok crowd is very young, so you have to sell it to the younger crowd, and very often these people are not ready to buy. They're just mindlessly scrolling on TikTok, and it just happens as something pops out. So if you want them to spend money, you have to make sure that this product is cheap and it's cool. So let's do a test run. I will try to find something on eBay that I think it's a good TikTok product, and maybe we're gonna list it. The reason being why I'm using eBay is because eBay is a great marketplace. There's a lot of cheap products, and they are located in US, and they can ship within a couple of days. Instead of using AliExpress and all these Chinese crap, why not use reliable suppliers here from United States? All right, so this is my eBay account, and I already see a product that I can possibly sell on TikTok. This thing right here, it's a filter. It costs $6.92, and I could probably list this on TikTok for maybe $15, $16, create an affiliate promotion for like 15%, and wait for sales. It's a problem-solving product. It looks coolish, and it's like a trendy product, and it's below $30. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save these images, and I'm gonna post them on TikTok. All right, so on my TikTok dashboard, let's go ahead to products and add a product. I'm gonna click on add new product. For the title, I'm gonna copy it from here and modify it. When it says brand, we're gonna select no brand because this is not a branded product. When it says warranty, make sure to check what it says right here, but I'm pretty sure it's a manufacturer warranty. For the Tupperware type, we're gonna go to standard sport faucets. Material, it's metal, and plumbing Tupperware iron. Now let's upload the images. I'm gonna make sure that this is the #1 image for this particular product. If you have a video, you can add it as well. Unfortunately, I don't have it for this product. Description, we're gonna get it from eBay. Don't have any variations. When it comes to price, I'm gonna charge $17.99. Quantity, we're gonna put 300, for example. When it comes to shipping, I'm actually not gonna ship this, so it doesn't really matter what I put here because the shipping is gonna be handled by the eBay person. They're gonna ship it to my customer. So I'm just gonna put random numbers here. All right, and now I'm gonna click on submit for review. Now TikTok is gonna take a look at my listing and decide if I'm worthy to list this product. Usually it takes from a couple of minutes to maybe a couple of hours, but I'm pretty sure this listing is gonna get accepted. In the meantime, I decided to create an affiliate offer for the people that will decide to promote my listing. I offer a 15% commission, so whenever they promote my listing, I'll give them 50% kick. I'm not sure if this is allowed or not, since this is very new to me, but maybe someone will decide to promote it, which will be cool. Matter of fact, these are the people that already have been promoting my listings in the past. So I didn't even know this, but like, look at all these creators that were adding my products previously when I started this whole journey. Wow, I was not aware of that. So this is the beginning of the TikTok shop journey. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out dropshippingyield.com to learn how to dropship on Facebook Marketplace and eBay, and Dropship Friendly if you're looking for a dropship friendly supplier for your products. We ship from US. And if you're interested in learning more about dropshipping, Etsy AI, join my YouTube membership. Join our Discord, join our weekly meetings. And if there's interest in these videos, I will make more about TikTok shops. Again, I kind of want to start a mini saga of the TikTok shops. That doesn't mean I'm going to stop with the Etsy AI. No. Don't get me wrong. This is whole... No, my friend. Etsy AI is #1. But I want to explore TikTok shops just because I think there's a big opportunity over there. This is so new. Everyone can win over there. I think there's a huge potential. The customer support is actually helpful. There are people in our Discord that are having success with TikTok shops. This is why I'm talking about it, because if not the people in the Discord, I would not talk about it. People are making good money with this method. So that's why we are here, and we're going to explore this topic more. I'll see you next time, my friend. Take care.